Ceramic Dental Crown Explained. 3D animation of tooth restoration and care. Have you ever wondered how dentists restore a damaged tooth to look and function like new? Let's explore the world of ceramic dental crowns with stunning 3D visuals. A ceramic dental crown is a custom-made, tooth-shaped cap designed to cover and protect a weakened, cracked, or decayed tooth. Unlike metal crowns, ceramic crowns are made entirely from high-quality ceramic material that closely mimics the natural color and translucency of your real teeth. This makes them an ideal choice for front teeth, where aesthetics matter most. The process begins with your dentist carefully preparing the damaged tooth and taking a precise digital impression. This digital scan is used to craft a perfectly fitting ceramic crown, ensuring a secure and comfortable restoration. Once the crown is ready, it's bonded to your tooth, restoring its strength, function, and appearance. Ceramic crowns are biocompatible, metal-free, and resistant to staining. They're often used after root canal treatment, to repair chipped or broken teeth, to cover dental implants, or to support dental bridges. With proper dental care, like regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups, a ceramic crown can last many years, protecting your smile and boosting your confidence. If you're interested in the latest dental treatments and want to see more 3D medical animations, make sure to subscribe and explore our channel.